You will often need to insert a connector as a child of a parent connector. To do that, again, I'm going to insert a connector. In the Insert Connector dialog box, there is an option to start connector as a child. I insert it and then place it at a location. On doing so, the child component dialog box will be opened for me, which makes it possible to edit my child components, insert a tag or any description to it. And finally, to specify parent component for my connector, I'm going to choose parent sibling button. Then I have to select the component as a parent, and then by pressing OK button, the two components will be related and linked together. If you want to insert a child connector with a broken top, such as this connector, again you have to choose Connector tool and then here select the Start with Break beside the Start connector as a child checkbox. Then select Insert and place your connector. Again, you have to determine the parent connector and choose it in your drawing. And in the last step, you can see the two connectors are linked together, and also this connector has a broken top.